Welcome back. Today we are going to talk about the letter H. In Spanish, H. Now, we are breaking down certain letters into a specific video for that letter because these are the letters that causes more confusion for English speakers. So this video is dedicated just to the letter H. When you see the letter H, you have to remember it's silent. So you are pronouncing the vowel that is following. Now we did talk in the video when we addressed the letter C that the C with the H, what used to be the letter Che, the H makes a sound because it's a digraph. It becomes a digraph with the letter C. That is a different concept. Here we are talking about the letter H standing in a syllable as the consonant for that syllable. The syllables will look like this: A, E, I, O, U. I know that you are tempted to say ha, he, hi, but we have to think in Spanish. Remember, we are trying to make room in your brain for Spanish, in the Spanish pronunciation. So let's do it again together. A, E, I, O, U. Now that that is out of the way, let's learn some words. Harina, harina, flour. Hemisferio, hemisferio, hemisphere. Hielo, hielo, ice. Hotel, hotel, hotel. Humedad, humedad, humidity. I like to point the word yellow, which is ice. This is a prime example of how we pronounce every letter in a word. You see, H-I-E, ye, yellow. That is a good way to practice saying all the letters in the word. This is a short lesson because we're only focusing on the letter H. Now, before you go, remember, you have to head to your exit ticket. You will have 3 seconds to read in Spanish the following exercises. Hotel, harina, I, O, hielo. I hope you did great. If not, remember to go back and practice. And I'll see you in the next one.